Okay, in this short video I want to show you how to remove sensors and how then put it back. So why I do it on the gearbox, not on the car, that you will understand everything and everything will see good, in good resolution. Okay, because on the car is little hard to do the high quality video. Okay, also I will, okay, no. So what we need to remove them and need to open this bolt. First, yes, this one. Sometimes you can need to, you know, better to remove also this one. $24, I think. No, 27. Yes. So let's remove both of them. Okay. And look, this bolt don't has a washer, and this sensor, it's neutral sensor, has aluminum washer. Be careful that it will not fly away. Look, it oh yes, see, this with washer and this without. Okay, now we see something inside. Okay, it will help us. So now I will remove these 4 bolts. The way to do it with the hammer. You will do little knock and it will open good. Oh, you see? Okay, and this one. The gearbox now in neutral state. Okay, so look, each of sensor has spring, so it moving. I remove it, and when I put it back, it also must be with sensor. This sensor is no problem to remove and install it again, no problem. You just put on this position. Look, this. Okay, so you must hear when you put on his place. And again, so when you removing this sensor and put it back, it's no problem. Remove, install, click, okay. But when you remove this sensor, it's moving, you see? You may click and you can't install it back. It's not possible in this state, in neutral state. See? It's not possible. You can install it. If you install just this, it will not work. No good. So, what we need to do? We need to take the screwdriver, and I need to move this plate to the anti-clockwise. Oh no, clockwise. Oh, it's moving, you see? It's moving easy. So it's no problem. Why it's moving easy? Because I remove this to this sensor and this board. Okay? Now you can move it and with no problem install this sensor. Also, you see, we need to install it because it has spring. So, click, I install it. After that, I can move or I can don't move, it's no problem. When we turn on the switch, the computer of gearbox will turn this shaft to this side. It's no problem. Understand? It's no problem. See? Easy. Okay. That's all. You see, inside it has some plate and you can move to this or to this. No, now it will not come in because it's reverse gear. So I can move. For example, this fourth gear, third gear. Okay? That's all. So that's all video about the sensors.